Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like through this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart is going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so broad levels and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the main level here, or I should really say the key couple of levels going forward, but the first question to ask yourself, and so let's just say you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, is where's the price at relative to 35.65, which is that red line right there. That has, over the past 24 hours, you can see once again shown itself to be an area of resistance. So like I said, that makes sense for you to ask yourself that question. Now, if you were answering the question that the price is still down below 35.65, I think that doesn't necessarily mean anything bad. It might, and I'll get to that in a second. But that just implies that there hasn't really been any sort of true bullishness or any sort of, kind of continuation on the bull's part, since you've watched or since I've done this video or when you are watching this. Now, on the flip side, if you're saying, well, Clay, as I watch this 15 hours from now, the price is actually up above 35.65. Now, that's where a little bit of gut instincts comes into play. Meaning if the price is, right there, slightly above it, that's good. Don't get me wrong. But if you're watching this, 20 hours from now and the price is up here at 37.25, well, that would be telling you that at the moment you're watching this video, that Bitcoin, the bulls are really, taking charge, and the bulls are making themselves, they're really flexing their muscles. So that's the first key question. It's just simply, where's the price at relative to 35.65? Now, if you were answering that question that the price is down below that area, the next immediate question you need to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 34.25, which is that green line down there, and a key level of support. As you can see, the price has bounced off of it before. If you were answering the question that the price is up above 34.25, then at that point, that would just imply consolidation. It would be the easiest term because, the price could come down here, and, as long as it's still within, these two levels, then like I said, that's essentially a bottoming pattern, and you would just have to chalk that up to consolidation. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is down below 34.25, again, just like the breakout level, a little common sense comes into play. If it's slightly below it, okay, that's definitely not a good thing necessarily, but there's a big difference. Whereas if the price is, all the way down there, that would be a huge difference and tell you that, at the moment you're watching this video, the Bitcoin bears have really shown back up quite a bit. But as things stand right now, the price, is trying its best to get up through that 35.65 mark. So we'll have to see if they can pull it off or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.